I am Ken Ledford with MSI Viking. I'm a metrology sales specialist for Southern Ohio. I do what I do to help my customers solve their manufacturing quality problems. It makes me feel good to be considered part of their team and to apply my practical knowledge and experience to solving their quality issues. My experience is 23 years in manufacturing metrology, where I used and repaired and calibrated most of the equipment that we sell in our catalogs and our line card today. I feel like that experience gives me an advantage over many of my competitors and other companies because I have practical hands-on knowledge in using the equipment and applying the technology and harnessing the results. The great thing about my job is learning new technologies and manufacturing processes and understanding how we can apply metrology solutions to those processes.
Trust a team with metrology experience, dedication, and commitment to excellence. Trust MSI Viking, your total metrology solutions partner.